Rule number 90. When a subordinate clause reflects the thought of someone other than the writer or speaker, its verb will be in the subjunctive mood. In Rule 81, we looked at causal clauses, especially those that were introduced by quod or quia, both of which mean because. We use the indicative mood when the speaker is the source of the reason, like in ei gratias egi quod mihi cibum paravit. I thanked him because he prepared food for me. I know he prepared the food, and so we use the perfect indicative with paravit. But iratissima eras quod tibi non gratias egissent. You were very angry because they had not thanked you. We use the subjunctive egissent because we're trusting your statement that they weren't nice. And so we can relay this with, you were very angry because, as you said, they hadn't thanked you. In this rule, rule number 90, extends rule 81. When the authority of the subordinate clause is someone other than the speaker or writer, we use the subjunctive. So, paetus omnes libros quos frater suus reliquisset mihi donavit. From Cicero. Paetus gave me all the books that his brother had left. Well, Paetus is the source of the truth that his brother had left the books, not Cicero, so we use the pluperfect subjunctive reliquisset. The books that, so he said, his brother had left. We also see this when we're talking about wishes, commands, or questions. Caesar writes, Huic imperat quas possit adeat civitates. He orders him to visit the states that he can. The clause in question here isn't the command related directly with adeat, but the subordinate clause in which possit sits. The authority of which states he can or cannot visit doesn't lie with Caesar, but with his subordinate. Hence, we use the subjunctive. One more example from Caesar. Iis auxilium suum policitus, si ab suebis praemerentur. He promised them his assistance if they would be attacked by the Suevi. Our condition uses the subjunctive because it's relying on the account of, well, in this case, the Ubii, the Germanic tribe that he's promising his help to. The subjunctive mood is used for actions that may or may not be true, and this rule is consistent and reinforces this idea. When the speaker or writer is not the source of the truth of the action, we use the subjunctive. So this has been rule number 90. When a subordinate clause reflects the thought of someone other than the writer or speaker, its verb will be in the subjunctive mood.